What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding another device, the Redmi Note 9 that will be revealing on April the 30th. Xiaomi revealed the Redmi Note 9 series back in the last month, where they have launched two devices, and these two devices has been launched came in India, and the naming for that particular device is or Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So the question was, where is the vanilla Redmi Note 9? Since the start of this month, evidence about the standard variant started to pop out on the web, with most of the consistent information is coming from the Chinese regulatory agency like the Teena certification. Now the company has finally confirmed that the Redmi Note 9 is coming. Xiaomi confirmed that the new handset will be revealed in an online event scheduled for April 30. According to the recent information, the handset will be sold as the Redmi 10X in China. The Redmi Note 9 will be the second smartphone from the series to reach the global market, and the company already launched the Redmi Note 9S, that basically a rebranded version of Redmi Note 9 Pro. After April 30, the only device that is missing a global launch of the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. However, the Xiaomi could opt to make it an Indian exclusive like the last year Note 7 Pro. With the launch of Redmi Note 9 happening in the next week, we can say that the Mi fans will have a busy week. Everything will start with the release of Mi 12 next Monday, and along with the launch of Mi 10 Youth, interestingly enough, the company states that the more product will be revealing on the same day. So what about the Redmi 10X? Specification will be 6.35 inch is going to be the full HD plus resolution display, and that resolution is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The MediaTek Helio G85 chipset is going to be included in that particular device, and three variants 3GB, 4GB and 6GB of internal RAM is going to be seen in the Redmi 10X. 64 and 128GB is going to be the storage option with the micro SD card support in that particular device. The device is going to feature a dual SIM slot inside the device, and the software which is coming inside will be Android 10 with MIUI 11 support. Quad camera setup is present on the back side, and that quad camera setup has a 48 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. The front is coming with a punch hole camera cutout, and that is going to be of a 13 megapixel front camera. Fingerprint sensor is also present on the rear side of the device, and the IR sensor is also seen in that particular device. It is also supported by 3.5mm audio jack, and 5020 mAh of battery is going to be seen in that particular device with an 18 watt of fast charging support inside. The new handset will mark the continuity of Xiaomi partnership with the MediaTek and its Helio G series. The chipset comes with a gaming centric feature but should be a little behind than the last Redmi Note 8 Pro in terms of performance. The other Note 9 devices have the Snapdragon 720G, and the display also differs thanks to the top left aligned selfie snapper. On the Pro variant, we have a center and line cutout. We probably know more details regarding that particular device in coming days, and if you want to know more about that particular device, stay tuned on my channel. Please do consider subscribing my channel. So that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.